see. A little bit of traffic, but still like 50, 55. Careful. Now it's almost 3 anyways, we'll drive till like 11 p.m. So we'll see you later. So it's around 9 p.m. and I arrived in Omaha. No problem today. Just a clear weather. So good morning guys from the big truck rest area. Slept very soundly and I can show you how big it is. Look at that. That's my truck. It's not too far from Lincoln, and that's in the state of Nebraska. And now I'm heading back to the truck to have some coffee. See you later. So, went around 200 miles. Now it's still in Nebraska. Exactly 200 miles left to go, and I will reach Wyoming. I haven't been there for like 3 years. So first time in 3 years being around Wyoming again. So let's go. Then we'll go into Pilot Flying J to get some fuel. Around 18 minutes left to drive there. And that's how it looks here. All hills. No traffic. So that's how Nebraska looks, guys. See you later. So stopped at Flying J, grabbed some coffee, rode again. Around 3 hours to go to the next stop. So we'll see you then. So here passing pickup with the RV, still in Nebraska, and I noticed that in cab of a truck the sound is pretty shitty because of the wind, the gap between doors and the truck. The doors are not closing too well, so we'll see what's going on, what to do. Alright guys, so getting close to Wyoming and it gets a little bit rocky here. And of course, how we truckers can live without constructions. There's still construction. It's about 8-mile long construction. This kind of road. It's interesting, by the way. But anyways, on my left you can see the hill, small hill. Down there it's Colorado. Been there a few times. I like that state, not in the winter of course. But anyways, construction has ended here. So finally, 19 miles left and I will reach Wyoming. I have a little story about Wyoming and my first trip in life. Alright guys, so we're in Wyoming. That's Pine Bluffs. So guys, took a shower. Now I have some 5 minutes to film and then off to the road. And I'll tell you a little story on each thing. Let's see. So guys, I'm again in a construction, but the story was like this. It was the first trip in my life with the truck, with my dad. We were going on this road from Chicago to Los Angeles. No more construction, I'm speeding up, but yeah, continuing to the story. Up till here it was pretty fine, but we will reach the Statue of Lincoln, and there we had the worst conditions ever I experienced in my life. I was pissing my pants, Dad was behind the wheel, but yeah, we made safely to the Utah state, and that's where I'm heading now. It's 361 miles left, so just in a moment I'll show you the Statue of Lincoln. Alright, getting close, and here is a famous windmill area. Yeah, beauty of USA. That's a scenic look. I hope so that my camera take at least 10% of what I'm seeing. So getting close, and look at this beauty. So guys, this is a place where I was starting to piss my pants a little bit more than 12 years ago during the winter. Yeah, that's not so funny during the winter. That's how it looks. So guys, still in Wyoming, and that mountain on the left still has snow. And it's June 1st here. So final glimpse of Elk Mountain. Incredible place. Alright, so left Rock Springs, and here are beautiful Rocky Mountains. By the way, fueled up a little bit, 50 gallons, should be enough until tomorrow. Now going to Low America. So just for you guys and for you too. Yeah, what a view. So arrived at the truck area, truck parking. Just missed Little America, so I'll do it next time. But here it is a beautiful sunset. Look at that. And here is my truck. So, yeah. I love it. Goes pretty good on the mountains, pretty fast. Alright, so this is where I'm going to end my video. I'm in the wolf's den. Look at this. Anyways, it's a sleeper berth of the truck. Pretty cozy, a lot of space. So, see you tomorrow. That's where I'm ending. Bye bye.